We decided to get solar panels for the house, basically for the environment, also because we're getting an electric car very soon, so hopefully we'll spend a lot less money on running that. I wouldn't really have said that I was an environmentalist, but I suppose that I am, because we do compost, we grow our own vegetables, we're very conscious of our energy consumption, and of course solar panels from Project Solar have been another step to be more environmentally friendly. The installation process itself was very quick and easy. The two guys came for just one day, explained how everything worked. A few days after it was installed, we had some really nice sunny days, and I could see from the app that we were already saving a lot of money, and I can see that my electricity consumption has halved from the grid. It was really well worth it. Project Solar have been really good. They were good with the sales process, the installation process, the after sales, all the guarantees they supply. I would thoroughly recommend Project Solar.